Hey, how's it going? I'm Tim. I'm a commercial photographer and video maker in the UK, and today we're going to talk about these little things. White balance with a grey card. Now this is awesome. It's always in my back pocket on shoots, and I'm going to tell you why. Probably thinking, Tim, I use auto white balance. What do you need all this messing about for? Well, if you're running around vlogging, probably not a big deal. But if you're making a video and got some consistency, between shots you have to assume your camera's going to make the same judgment over and over. And they don't always do that. So this means in post you've got a quick, easy way to definitely get the same white balance throughout all your clips. Or you might be saying, Tim, I can set it to tungsten or daylight white balance or cloudy day. I mean, yeah, you can, but again, who knows if you're in a mixed light situation, what lights are playing into your shot. And again, with the grey card, it just means at the end of the day, if everything's cool, everything's cool. If something's not quite right, it's like a get out of jail card free. Get out of jail free card. That's the one. So, I mean, I feel like for having this £6 card in my back pocket, completely worth it for a few seconds at the start of every shot. I know when I get back, I can definitely get a good white balance. For a few tests, let's set the camera wrong, put it into post and see if we can fix it. So let's start with, and this is definitely wrong, this is a tungsten white balance with my white lights. So, grey card, I want to see if in Premiere, if we can fix that nice and easy. And then let's go full Twitch stream look. I've got an orange light up here doing like a tungsten, I've got a white light up here, and I've got a blue LED strip down there. So again, let's just put the card up there. And let's see what Photoshop and what Premiere make of that. Right, let's bung these into Adobe and see how it looks. I'll see you at the desk. Okay, with Photoshop open, let's start by editing the image with the wrong white balance. If you're importing a RAW file into Photoshop, you'll get the RAW window. If you don't and you've got a JPEG or an existing file, just go to your layer and Control and A. Then super simple, we'll grab the colour picker up here, choose a spot on our grey card and click. And then let's try our crazy lit scene with the multiple light sources. Again, just grab the colour picker and click. Pretty good. Then let's try Premiere. And in Premiere, we use the Lumetri colour, and up in the top corner there, there's a colour picker. Grab that, click on the grey, and there we go. And then with our multiple colour light sources, super simple, really effective. That's it. Such a small thing can make such a difference to dig you out of a hole if things go a little bit wobbly in post-production. Now I've got the set that's got 3 cards, it's a grey, a black and a white. I won't go into full detail now about the black and the white, but it's a handy set to have. It's like £6 on Amazon. I'll pop a link down below in case that's helpful. If you like this video, hit like so that I know that you liked it. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. I'm running at 1 a week at the moment. I might manage 2 videos a week for a while. Let's see what happens. But until then, have an awesome week and I'll catch you later. See ya.